Hey guys, thank you for tuning in again. Welcome to this week's Bike of the Week over here at the Orlando Harley Davidson Historic Factory. My name is Devin, and today we have the 2020 Fat Bob. Comes in a variety of 6 different colors. Today's option is the Performance Orange. On your new 2020 Fat Bob, you have the inverted front forks. What that's going to do for you, it's better for that aggressive riding, as well as improved braking and steering stabilization when you're getting into those turns. You also have your updated dual disc front rotors for improved stopping power and braking supply on demand, as well as in conjunction with your ABS, which is now a reflex ABS system, give you equal braking no matter which brake you hit when you're in an emergency stopping situation. You also get this custom upswept performance exhaust, so to give you that performance as well as that custom dual tone finish so that you can stay stylish as well as get all the performance out of your stock exhaust. Your 2020 Fat Bob will also come with the aggressive naughty fat and rear tires. It's going to be the 150 front and the 180 rear so that you can have that sport bike naughty feel and get all that traction control and all that asphalt grip in action. This Fat Bob comes with the new big twin Milwaukee 8 engine. So what that's going to do for you, you're going to get a crisp throttle response as well as the new 114 engine that comes with the new 2020 Fat Bob, available in 107 options for other models as well. You also have the new updated Daymaker LED headlight to give you premium visibility day in and day out, as well as to give you that new aggressive look with the new light bar so that you're confident on those night and day rides. You also get the 2-up seat on your Fat Bob with the passenger pegs so that you and your passenger can go on a ride straight out the factory. On your new Fat Bob, you get the swing arm now mounted to the chassis rather than the transmission on the older models, so that now when you're on those longer rides or you're on those canyon curves, you won't get any more flex or any more wobble. On your 2020 Fat Bob, you also get the upgraded Monoshock suspension to give you that premium touring style feel on your Softail platform. Thank you for tuning in over here at the Bike of the Week, over here at the Orlando Historic Factory. My name is Devin. Thank you for viewing the new 2020 Fat Bob, and happy holidays from everyone over here at the OHD fam. Be sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and click the bell notifications for more upcoming videos on the newer models.